This is a variation of my modern hanging tea towel design. My original design has a pleated front with the sides folded to the back. If you have a tea towel that's a bit thicker or narrower or has a design on the front that you don't want to lose, you may not want to pleat it. Cut the towel in half like you would for the original so that you can make 2 hanging tea towels, and just fold the sides to the back with the pattern centered in the front. Check that it measures the right width and clip the layers together. You can find the link for my original towel pattern below this video and down in the description. The next variation is for the front band. I want to add some trim, so from this scrap piece of fabric, I'm cutting 2 1-inch wide bias strips. With wrong sides together, fold in half, matching the edges, and press. Instead of using 1 large piece for the band as shown in the pattern, we'll use 2 smaller pieces and also add interfacing. With the glue side up, place the wrong side of the fabric on top and press together. You can make the band as wide or as narrow as you like. With right sides together, place one of the bias strips on top of one of the band pieces. Match all the raw edges and stitch together close to the edge, then repeat on the other side. There's no need to backstitch. Trim the extra binding on both ends. Place on top of the other piece, matching all the edges with right sides together. Stitch both sides with a 1/4 inch seam allowance, backstitching at each end. Carefully turn right side out and then press the seams flat on both sides. With these 2 slight variations, you can continue making the towel following the original instructions. These towels are great as gifts, and the design is simple to make without any need for buttons, snaps, Velcro, or ribbon. To hang, face the front towards you with the band at the back. Fold the top over your bar, slip the bottom of the towel through the loop, and pull down until the band covers the seam. To remove, just grab the band and pull down. Tap the product links below to get the original PDF pattern with written instructions. Thanks again for watching. Take care and happy sewing.